Hi all, nice to meet you again in Simple Science Study Room. Today in this video we're going to focus on Introduction to Integration. Well, we need to know that integral of the x equals to x plus c, where c is always a constant. And remember that we always need to add plus c when what we are integrating has no limit. The two numbers on the top and the bottom of the integration sign. Just the same as this, integral of y would be y plus c, and integral of the t would be equals to t plus c. All right, let's move and see how to integrate some constants. If integral of k dx equals to kx plus c, then let's see how to solve this. Integral of 2y would be the constant 2 multiplied by integral of y as y. Then we add some constant c. Then integral of 10 dw. We first put the constant 10, then we multiply by the integral of dw, which is w plus some constant c. Well, let's see this. Integral of 5 dk. This will simply be 5 k plus c. Very simple. Now let's move and see how power rule of integration works. Solve some examples under it. So in this case, I would like us to recall differentiation. In differentiation, if y equals to x power n, we all know that y by the x equals to nx power n minus 1. But it's a little bit different in integration, where integral of x power n dx equals to x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c. We only divide with the same power, n plus 1, here also n plus 1. Yeah, the little bit difference here is just that differentiation is just a reverse of integration, and integration also is a reverse of differentiation. Like when negative 1 is differentiation, then integration would be positive 1. Now pause the video and try to integrate the formula of this integration. Well, let's do it. Integral of x power b dx, this would be x power b, then plus 1 divided by, with the same power, b plus 1, then plus some constant c. Very simple. Now let's move on and solve some problem under this power rule of integration. So here we are. Question number 1 says integrate this. Integral of x squared dx. So we only compared with the formula. This would be x power 2 plus 1 divided by the same power, 2 plus 1, then plus some constant c, which this would be equals to x power 3 divided by 3 plus c. Very simple. Then this, number 2, it says integral of 5x squared minus 8x dx. Let's see the solution. We can split these two variables with integral of the x, just like this. Integral of 5x squared dx, then minus integral of 8x dx. 5x dx, 5x squared dx, then negative x, which its own integral of the x also. Then this would be 5x power 2 plus 1 divided by the same power, 2 plus 1, minus 8x power 1. We know there is a power of 1 here. Then we add 1 divided by the same powers, 1 plus 1. Then plus some constant c. This would be 5x power 3 divided by 3 minus 8x squared divided by 1 plus 1 is 2 plus some constant c. Then this would be 5x cubed divided by 3 minus 2 can go into 8 4 times minus 4 squared plus c. This is very simple. Now let's see the next example. Given integral of x squared plus 5x minus 3 dx, then this would be integral of x squared dx plus integral of 5x dx, then minus integral of negative 3 dx. Then this would be x squared plus 1 divided by the same power, 2 plus 1, plus 5x, we have power 1 here, then power 1 plus 1 divided by 1 plus 1, minus, sorry, don't have to put negative here since I put it outside, minus 3, then integral of the x is x. Now here we have x power 3 divided by 3 plus 5 squared divided by 2 minus 3x, then plus some constant c. Well, now this is the solution. Very simple. Well, as we said, integration is always the reverse of differentiation. Let's confirm from this question. Let's differentiate the answer of this integration, and it will give us the original question of the integration. We have x power 3 divided by 3 plus 5x squared power 2 minus 3x plus c as the answer of this integration. Now we differentiate this. 3x, then 3 minus 1, that is squared, divided by 3, plus 2 times 5, that is 10x, 2 minus 1 as differentiation, we have power 1 divided by 2, then minus 3 into differential value of x is 1 plus differential value of constant value is 0. Here this 3 can go with this 3. We remain with x squared plus 2 into 10 is 5. We have 5x minus 3 times 1 is 3. This is the original question of the integration. Here is it. X squared plus 5x minus 3. X squared plus 5x minus 3. We only add integral sign to show that this is an integration, not differentiation. Thanks for watching. If you find out this helpful, please do subscribe for more video updates.